Greetings, folks. Today we have a major adventure. We're going to make mayonnaise with a stick blender. And it's eggless mayonnaise. And it's made with chickpea juice. Can you believe it? I think they call it Aquafaba mayonnaise. So if you want to see what this is all about, you just stay tuned. Let's get cooking. Okay, now for my next project, I'm doing mayonnaise. Now this is eggless mayonnaise, and it's made with garbanzo beans. They call it, let me think, what do they call it? Aquafaba mayonnaise. But you might as well call it chickpeas mayonnaise. I've watched a bunch of videos, and I wanted to make the mayonnaise, but the thought of that raw egg in there I'm not an egg person, and that just, oh my goodness, I can't, I just couldn't deal with that. So I had to find an alternative, and I think this one might work. It doesn't make sense that it will, but I watched other people do it, so I'm going to give it a try. And these are all the ingredients, and I'll write the recipe below for you. So I'm going to be using the garbanzo beans drippings off the beans. And then I'm going to take the garbanzo beans in my next video, and I'm going to make some hummus, whatever you call it. And so anyway, all right, I'm going to turn this off, and then I'm going to fill the little jar, and then we'll get back and see what happens. Okay, here we go. Let's get this thing turned on. First we put it down in here, put it to the bottom, and then do... Woo, look at that! This is working really well. I think this is good to go. So I'm going to take that blender out, and I'll show you how it looks. Okay, folks, this is absolutely a winner. You know, I had seen other people do this, but I didn't think I could do it. Check that out. Now that's mayonnaise consistency. You could spread that on anything you want to spread it on. And it tastes fabulous. Of course, I had to taste it. Absolutely perfect. So this is winner chicken dinner. I will definitely do this again exactly like this. So give it a try, folks. I think you'll like it.